Now let's bring in our legal analyst, Irv Miller. And Irv, Rittenhouse obviously found not guilty today. That criminal part of this is over. He's already home, but the battles may not be ending for him or even separately for the attorneys in this case. So what are the possible next steps for all of them?
Well, there's obviously some civil cases pending so far. Kyle Rittenhouse has not been named as a defendant in any of them. There are lawsuits against the city of Kenosha and the county of Kenosha, and those will play out. I don't think there will be a lawsuit against Mr. Rittenhouse. There could be. But don't forget, the fact that he was found not guilty in the criminal case plays a big role as to whether or not any attorney is willing to take on a case, particularly when everybody in the country, if not the world, knows what happened in this case. There may be a battle with respect to the bond that's up. There's $2 million with the clerk of the circuit court, and there may be a fight over who gets that money. I think that's the next issue.
Irv, devil's advocate here. So this started with Jacob Blake, shot and partially paralyzed by a Kenosha police officer. That officer cleared. Rittenhouse, shot and killed 2 people, wounded a 3rd. Cleared. There's a huge human toll here, some think, and no criminal penalty. Is this American justice?
It is American justice, because American justice is when you go to trial, you're entitled to a jury of your peers, and you're only convicted if you're proven beyond a reasonable doubt, proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. And in this case, that didn't happen. This case ended up in a not guilty verdict by the jury, which means the prosecution did not meet the burden that they had, which is determine whether or not there was self-defense in this case, and they decided they cannot say that he did not have self-defense, and that was the burden on the prosecution.
Irv Miller, thank you for your insight all day today and throughout this trial.